Welcome to this comprehensive analysis of NVIDIA Corporation's financial performance for the fiscal year ending January 26, 2025. As a pioneering technology company that has transformed from a graphics chip maker to a full-stack computing infrastructure powerhouse, we'll examine the financial results, key strategic developments, and future outlook presented in their annual report. The company reports in two segments: compute and networking and graphics. In FY 2025, NVIDIA continued its focus on advancing accelerated computing and AI technologies, developing new compute and networking solutions, and expanding its ecosystem across multiple industries. The company's transformation has been remarkable, with its technologies now powering everything from gaming PCs to the world's most advanced AI systems and supercomputers. Looking at NVIDIA's FY 2025 income statement, we see exceptional growth across all key metrics. Total revenue reached $130.5 billion in FY 2025, representing a 114% increase from $60.9 billion in FY 2024. This remarkable growth reflects the surging demand for NVIDIA's AI chips and accelerated computing platforms. Operating income rose to $81.5 billion, up 147% from $33 billion in the previous year. This extraordinary increase demonstrates the company's ability to scale operations efficiently while meeting unprecedented demand. Net income climbed to $72.9 billion, marking a 145% increase compared to the $29.8 billion reported in FY 2024. This significant growth highlights NVIDIA's commanding position in the AI computing market. These results highlight NVIDIA's exceptional execution of its strategic vision in capitalizing on the AI boom and expanding its technological leadership. Breaking down NVIDIA's 2025 revenue by end market reveals the company's strong focus on data center and AI technologies. Data center accounts for the largest segment at 88% of total revenue, generating $115.2 billion, up 142% year-over-year. This segment is further divided into computing at $102.2 billion and networking at $13 billion. Gaming represents 9% of total revenue, contributing $11.4 billion, up 9% from the previous year. This growth was primarily driven by strong sales of GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs. Professional visualization makes up 1.4% of revenue at $1.9 billion, showing a solid 21% increase year-over-year, driven by demand for Ada RTX GPU workstations used for generative AI-powered design and engineering. Automotive contributed 1.3% of revenue at $1.7 billion, demonstrating impressive 55% growth, highlighting NVIDIA's expanding presence in autonomous driving technology. NVIDIA's FY 2025 balance sheet demonstrates exceptional financial health. Total assets reached $111.6 billion, representing a 70% increase from $65.7 billion in FY 2024. This growth reflects the company's expanding business scale and cash generation capabilities. Total liabilities rose to $32.3 billion, up 42% from $22.8 billion in the previous year, showing NVIDIA's controlled approach to leverage despite rapid growth. Total equity grew to $79.3 billion, a 85% increase from $43 billion in FY 2024. This reinforces the company's strong financial position. The robust balance sheet underscores NVIDIA's financial discipline and ability to self-fund its growth initiatives while maintaining flexibility for strategic investments. NVIDIA's FY 2025 cash flow statement reveals impressive cash generation capabilities. Cash from operating activities reached $64.1 billion, a 128% increase from $28.1 billion in FY 2024, highlighting the company's exceptional operational performance. Cash used in investing activities increased to $20.4 billion, up 93% from $10.6 billion in the previous year, reflecting NVIDIA's continued investments in marketable securities and property and equipment. Cash used in financing activities grew to $42.4 billion, a 211% increase from $13.6 billion in FY 2024, primarily due to share repurchases totaling $33.7 billion. Free cash flow improved substantially, demonstrating NVIDIA's strong ability to convert earnings into cash. This extraordinary cash flow profile gives NVIDIA tremendous financial flexibility to fund research and development, pursue strategic acquisitions, return capital to shareholders, and make long-term investments. In fiscal year 2025, NVIDIA returned significant capital to shareholders while investing heavily in future growth. The company repurchased 310 million shares of common stock for $34 billion and paid $834 million in cash dividends. Following an additional $50 billion authorization in August 2024, NVIDIA had $38.7 billion remaining under its share repurchase program as of January 26, 2025. FY 2025 was marked by transformative product launches and strategic focus on AI infrastructure. The company launched the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, a full set of data center scale infrastructure, including GPUs, CPUs, DPUs, interconnects, switch chips and systems, and networking adapters, designed to excel at processing cutting-edge generative AI workloads with market-leading performance and efficiency. The company launched the NVIDIA Blackwell GeForce RTX 50 series family of desktop and laptop GPUs, introducing neural graphics which combines AI models with traditional rendering to unlock a new era of graphics innovation. NVIDIA expanded its software offerings, including DGX Cloud, NVIDIA AI Enterprise, and NVIDIA Omniverse, reinforcing its full-stack technology approach. The company continued to advance its automotive technology, with a 55% increase in automotive revenue driven by sales of self-driving platforms. Looking at key operational metrics, NVIDIA had approximately 36,000 employees in 38 countries as of the end of fiscal year 2025, with 27,100 engaged in research and development and 8,900 in sales, marketing, operations, and administrative positions. Overall employee turnover rate was 2.5% in fiscal year 2025, indicating strong talent retention. The company invested $12.9 billion in research and development, representing 9.9% of total revenue. Capital expenditures increased to $3.4 billion in FY 2025 from $1.1 billion in FY 2024, reflecting investments in infrastructure to support future growth. NVIDIA powered 38 of the top 50 systems on the Green 500 list, demonstrating its leadership in energy-efficient computing for AI and high-performance computing. In FY 2025, NVIDIA navigated a complex regulatory landscape, particularly regarding export controls. The company faced a series of export restrictions from the U.S. government affecting sales of certain high-performance AI chips to China and other countries, including the A100, H100, and other advanced products. In January 2025, the U.S. government published the AI Diffusion IFR, which will impose worldwide licensing requirements on products achieving certain performance thresholds after a 120-day compliance period. NVIDIA expanded its data center product portfolio to offer new solutions for which the U.S. government does not require export licenses and developed products specifically designed for the China market. The company's position in markets relating to AI led to increased interest from regulators worldwide, including information requests from competition authorities in the European Union, United States, United Kingdom, China, and South Korea. These regulatory challenges required NVIDIA to demonstrate agility in product strategy and market approach while maintaining compliance with evolving restrictions. Looking ahead, NVIDIA's focus remains on advancing accelerated computing and AI technologies across all its target markets. The company expects to continue investing in research and development to support its expanding product portfolio and increasing complexity of its data center products. Management anticipates increasing capital expenditures in fiscal year 2026 relative to fiscal year 2025 to support future growth. Key areas of focus include further development and deployment of the Blackwell architecture to meet growing demand for AI and accelerated computing. Expanding software offerings, including NVIDIA AI Enterprise, NVIDIA Omniverse, and NVIDIA Drive. Advancing networking technologies to support data center scale computing. Continuing innovation in gaming and professional visualization with AI-enhanced graphics. Progressing autonomous vehicle technology through the Drive platform. NVIDIA also continues to pursue its Earth 2 initiative to create a digital twin of the Earth on NVIDIA AI and NVIDIA Omniverse platforms, enabling scientists, companies, and policymakers to make ultra-high-resolution predictions of climate change impacts. FY 2025 was a transformative year for NVIDIA, with unprecedented financial results including 114% revenue growth to $130.5 billion and 145% net income growth to $72.9 billion, demonstrating its dominant position in AI computing. The company's financial strength enabled it to return $34.8 billion to shareholders while investing heavily in future innovation. With a robust $43.2 billion cash position and strategic product adaptations to navigate export controls, NVIDIA has shown remarkable agility amid regulatory challenges. Its technological leadership, expansive ecosystem, and full-stack approach position the company for continued success across data center, gaming, professional visualization, and automotive markets as AI adoption accelerates globally. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The information presented is based on publicly available sources and may contain inaccuracies or omissions. Viewers should consult official Alphabet Inc. financial statements and SEC filings for the most accurate data. Investment decisions should not be based solely on this content. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and market conditions can change rapidly. Always consider your personal circumstances and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest financial analyses.